Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today we are going to sew our palazzo jumpsuit. So if you have not watched the video on the cutting, on how to cut the palazzo jumpsuit, please go ahead and watch it so that you understand this part. And please give this video a thumbs up so that others can see it. So with that being said, let's get started. I'm going to cut the sleeve first. You know, during the cutting we didn't cut the sleeve, and I promised that during the sewing we're going to cut the sleeve. The sleeve on that palazzo jumpsuit is a basic sleeve plus balloon attached. So the length of my sleeve is going to be 16 inches. That's my sleeve length. Then the fitted part is going to be 10 inches. So I'm going to do 16 minus 10 will give us 6. So it means that 6 inches will be the balloon part of the sleeve. The wideness of the balloon part of the sleeve is not going to be 6 inches. Instead, I'm going to times the 6 inches by 2 to get 12. So the wideness of the balloon part of the sleeve is going to be 12 inches so that we'll be able to get a balloon effect. If you use 6 inches, you won't get the balloon effect because it will be straight. Okay, so this is for me. You can do more than this or do less than this. The choice is yours. So I'm going to cut the fitted part first. I've done a tutorial on how to cut a basic sleeve, so because of that we are not going to dwell so much on that here. So if you want a detailed tutorial on how to cut a basic sleeve, please do well to check the video in the channel and watch. Okay, so this is what I'll use for the basic sleeve. I have 2 here for the 2 sleeves, and I have put it on fold. The length of the sleeve is 10. It's going to be 10, and the remaining here will be the allowance. From here I'm going to measure my armhole depth, which is 8 inches, and I mark 8 inches. Then I'll add like 1 inch allowance. So from here I'm going to go down. I'll go down by 4 inches for my cap height, and I'm going to draw an S shape like this. This is the curve for the basic sleeve. All right, so coming to this point, I'll measure my round sleeve at this point, which is 13 inches. 13 divided by 2 will give us 6.5. Because the material is on fold, that's why we are dividing by 2. The material is folded into 2. So I'll add the same 1 inch allowance here. You can add more than 1 inch allowance if you want. So let's see, this is my armhole, 8 inches, and this is my 1 inch allowance here. So this is my basic sleeve, and I'll cut the 2 of them together. And for the balloon part, like I said, I have 12 inches here plus a little allowance, and this is what I have. And placing this on fold, I have like ×3 of the round sleeve here. So my round sleeve here, remember, is 6.5, which is 13 inches. So 6.5, we have 6.5, and then we have 6.5. This is ×3 of my round sleeve. That is what I'll use for the balloon. So this is not fixed. If you want, you can do ×2 depending on how full you want the balloon to look like. Okay, so what I'll do now is to go ahead and sew a loose stitch. I'll sew a loose stitch for gathers on one side, and on the other side I'm going to fold a little where the elastic, my 1/2 inch elastic, is going to pass through. So I'll do that and I'll get back to you. So guys, I've done the gathers for the balloon sleeve. So guys, I'll go over to the machine and sew. I'll sew it like this, the two of them, and I'll be back. After attaching these two together, the next thing I'm going to do is to insert the elastic here. So I'm going to measure 10 inches. So I'll cut. So this is what I have. So I'll go over to the machine, I'll stitch this side and stitch this side. I'll do the same thing on this one and I'll get back to you. So guys, I'm done fixing the elastic and this is what I have. So the next thing we are going to do now is to go ahead and fold this sleeve like this. I'll fold the sleeve like this and I'm going to sew. I'll sew with 1 inch allowance that we'll have here. So I'm going to sew like this down. So guys, I'm through with the balloon sleeve, as you can see. So the next thing I'll do now is to trim off this side so that we'll be able to fix it. And then again, I'm going to trim off this side. I'll trim off one side for my front sleeve. I'll just trim off so that there will be no bulge at that point. It means that this will be at the front side while this will be at the back side. So I'm going to turn to the front side. So the balloon sleeve is completely ready. So the next thing we are going to do now is to sew the jumpsuit itself. This is the half length. I've gone ahead to sew the half length. So if you don't know how to sew this, just cut the lining exactly with the fabric and then sew the neck and turn to the right side and then put your dart. It's as simple as that. So the same thing with the back side. So we are going to sew the pocket now. So to sew the pocket, I'm going to fold it like this and I'll sew like this on the right side. Remember, this is the right side. And after stitching like this, I'm going to turn to the wrong side and top stitch, and I'll bring it for us to see. So the pocket should look like this, with the right side showing like this, and this is the wrong side. So this is how you sew your pocket. Sew on the right side, turn over, top stitch on it, and then this is what you have. So we are going to fix it at the front side of the trouser. And this is the pocket opening. To fix this pocket, open up the pocket like this, and I'm going to place it like this, right side to right side, right side to right side. and sew. We're going to sew with 0.25 inch allowance here. Okay, so guys, I'm done sewing the pocket. Please remember, after you fix the pocket, you give it a notch so that it will relax very well when you turn it. After that, you top stitch on it so that when you turn it over, it will relax very well. So this is what I have. So I'm going to sew, I'll stitch this place and then stitch this place. The next thing I'm going to do is to go over to the machine and sew the dart. We're not sewing that together with the pocket, okay? So we're going to sew the dart for the two of them. After sewing the dart, then I'm going to place it right side, the two front of the trouser. I'll place it right side to right side. I'm going to join the two of them at the crotch line. I'll join it like this. So guys, I'm through with the front side. I'll attach this to the half length. So making sure that the dart of the trouser and of the half length are aligned together. So guys, this is the front part. We are through with the front part. So this is the back side. The first thing I'll do is to sew the dart. We're going to join it to the half length after fixing the dart. So let me do that and I'll be back. So guys, I'm done with the back side. So this is the zip allowance at the back side. So the next thing I'll do now is to go and fix the zipper like this. The zip is going to stop somewhere here, to stop at somewhere here, okay? So let me fix the zip and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm done fixing the zip. This is the back side. So we are going to join the front and the back together now. So this is the front side. I'm going to join the shoulders. To join the shoulder, we just need to open up. I'll open the lining like this, place this one inside like this, and then cover it up. I'll use this lining to cover the one inside. This is how you sew. Then I'm going to sew like this. So guys, I'll go over to the machine and join the shoulders together and also shape the two sides down. I'll shape the two sides down and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm done joining the shoulders, this and this, and I've shaped the side with our measurements. The next thing I'll do now is to close up this side like this. We are going to close up this side. Because if you look closely, you'll notice that the front is shorter than the back. So I'm going to place it like this Then I'll go over to the machine. I'll sew from here down, and then I'll sew from here too down to this other side. Okay, so, and after that I'll go ahead and fix the sleeve, and I'll show you the final outcome. So guys, this is the final look of the palazzo jumpsuit. This is our pocket, neatly sewn. So this is the down part, which is the trouser leg. So yeah, this is what I have, and this is our sleeve, the balloon sleeve. So yeah, this is basically the end of this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not done that. Please share the video so that others can see it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, for now it is bye bye.